If you have been watching my video, probably you might be familiar with this particular cryptocurrency called Abridoge, because in this YouTube channel, I've made video about this particular cryptocurrency for like 3 times or 4 times right now. Now, I've talked about it in so many of my videos. And guess what happened? A lady in this YouTube, saw this video and chatted me on WhatsApp, and she wanted to buy this token. And okay, I took her the process of buying it. It wasn't easy for her because of where she was staying, because she was staying in the US. So I decided to buy it for her and send it to her. Now, she put in $2,000 in this particular cryptocurrency. By December, which is this current December we are in right now, December 2023, this lady made over $20,000 from this particular cryptocurrency called Abridoge. And guys, guess what? This is just the beginning. If you understand the kind of inflow of funds that's going to be coming in Arbitron ecosystem, you will not joke with this particular crypto called Abridoge. Because why? Abridoge is the first token built on Arbitron network, Arbitron blockchain. Guys, with that alone, with this sentiment alone, it can skyrocket the price of this token into $1 billion market cap. Guys, this particular cryptocurrency is still at maybe $1 million or $2 million market cap right now as of the time of doing this video. But guys, this is a huge opportunity. I want you to listen to her testimony and what she has to say. And guess what? Don't miss out on Abridoge. And I also made a video of other cryptocurrency I'm looking at. Most especially of them, many of them are meme tokens. If you have not watched that video, please check the link in the description to watch that video for you to see all the meme tokens I'm looking at in 2024. Because why? It's going to be huge and you need to take advantage of it. See you in that video.
Hi everyone, my name is Deborah Olatunde. I'm here to share my experience with John Bosco. I met him through YouTube. So from the YouTube, he said he has a Telegram. So I joined the Telegram group. From the Telegram group, I saw his number and I asked him that I want to buy Abridoge. I sent $2,000 to him. I didn't know. I sent $2,000 to him and he bought the Abridoge to my MetaMask. So when he bought it, so as the boom market is doing good, as everybody know that the market is doing good right now, as at December 2023, I bought the crypto in May 2023, so worth of $2,000. So now I can see the profit. Now the $2,000 turned to $20,000. So I was so surprised. I have to sell it because I want to buy another crypto. So when I sell it, I told him that I want to buy another crypto, Zelle. I sent him $10,000 and he delivered it to me. He's a trustworthy man. I put my trust in him. So I'm heading anyone that if you are new to crypto and you want to make money on it, he's a reliable man. Just put your trust in him. Just have a trust in him. That's it, and you make your money. You will be millionaire. Trust me, you'll be millionaire from $2,000 to $20,000. As in, I was really happy, as if I made a ritual. You understand, everybody? So I was so surprised. Thank you so much, everybody. That's my experience with John Bosco. Thank you. Bye.